Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. So in this video we're gonna be making, I know I'm gonna say it wrong, I can't say it. Okay, I think it's called Gaia. I kept on seeing the bag all over TikTok. I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. But obviously I can't afford it. So I was like, you know what? Why don't I just make my own and then just add my own little spin to it? So all of the molds I got from all of the molds I got from Amazon, the dry flowers from Amazon as well. And yeah, I think that's all you're gonna need basically. And your E6000 glue and the bag frame, and that's about it. So in this mold, I'm adding on in there some dry flowers, and I'm mixing up some gold flakes. So I'm just gonna be pouring it down in there. Oh, I have a hiccup. Just pouring it down. And I'm out of gold flakes. I had to mix up some more so I can finish. And that's what I'm doing right there. Mixing. Using my lighter to get rid of the bubbles, adding more resin, and just pouring it all the way down. Where did I go? Oh, there it is. Keep pouring. Make sure there's not too much gold flakes in one and not the other. And now for the actual clutch bags, I decided to go with this pinkish color. So that's what I'm going to be pouring down first. And I end up not mixing enough for both molds, so I had to mix it up again. I mixed it up. And then I just decided to add on in there some white. A little bit of some white. And yeah, just do my little squiggly lines so I can mix both colors together to give it that marble effect. And voila. And to get rid of the bubbles, I'm using my lighter again. And you can see from the bag mold, there is some resin that's run over. And there's some resin on the molds as well. I'm just cleaning it up so that I don't have to do it after it's dry. So the bags, I would say just leave it in the mold for like 2 days for it to be fully dry. Because if you just take it out after 24 hours, it's still going to be very bendy. And then you're going to have to let it sit out flat on the flat surface for it to dry. So just leave it in the mold for like 2 days. Yeah. But for the gym molds, the ones that I put the dry flowers in, you can just take it out after 24 hours. Doing some more squiggly lines. And that's it. Just let it dry for 2 days. So after 24 hours, I can start popping everything out of the mold. And it looks so cute. I definitely needed to make a second batch of everything. So, yeah. I'm going to try to see how it would look on the bag. I was very indecisive if I wanted to add it or I just wanted to probably mix up some pink and then just do it a different way. But hopefully this will look good. So after 2 days, I can finally just pop it out of the mold. Voila. The colors look so cute. It's like gold, pink, and white. It's so cute. I love it. And this is a bag frame, wire frame. Just popping it on there to see how it looks, and I like it. Just popping another one out of the mold as well. And then with my E6000 glue, I'm just going to glue everything together. And after I glue everything together, just leave it for 24 hours for it to be fully dry as well. Just placing those on there to see how it would look. E6000 glue, I got it from Amazon as well. You can get it from anywhere. You can use whatever glue you want. But I'm just using the glue that I had left over. By the way, you don't need a ton of glue. You just need a little bit. Just a little drop. Not too much. Otherwise, it will probably seep through. And then it's going to be very hard for you to actually open up the bag. So, yeah. And I'm done. Just popping the other part on. Press it down because you don't want it to be sticking out, and just check up on it to make sure it's laying down flat, and it is, so it's perfect. So after 24 hours, with my E6000 glue, the little rhinestone that I add the flowers and gold flakes in, I'm just adding on there some E6000 glues and just placing it on there. Not too much because I'm gonna still need to be able to open up the bag and use it. I'm not gonna be using a ton of the rhinestones, as I'm gonna call them. Just placing it down there to see how it would look if I want them close together, separate, because some of them are big, some of them are smaller, all different shapes and size. So I had to place them on there first to see how it would look, and that's how it looks. And then this, I have to leave it 24 hours for it to dry. Okay, so this is a little update on the resin clutch bag. So I think this is my third pack that I've made so far, or is it my second? I don't know. So I need to pop these out. This area is such a mess. I need to remove the plastic off of here, but I'll do it another time. But let me show you the bag that I've done so far. Alright, so this is how the bag is looking so far. I don't know if I like it or not. I did the front. I did have one of those crystals right here, but I wasn't able to open up the bag, so I had to remove it off. So this is how it's looking. I did this side last night. The glue takes 24 hours to dry, so that's why I can only do like the top, the side, and the bottom, and then just let it dry overnight. But this is how it's looking. It looks pretty good. It's probably look better in the night. So now I only have this side to do, that I'm gonna be finished. Then I'll be able to close and open up the bag however I want. I wanted to make sure that I was still able to attach the chain on the bag so I'll be able to use it. If I did not care about the chain, then I could have just put these closer and it would be fine. But it still looks, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think so far? But I'm just using my E6000 glue to attach these. And yeah, I love it. I love the color. You can see the white, the pink, the gold, and it's so cute. I like it. I don't really like the center. Maybe I can put a vinyl sheet on here. Yeah, just leave it how it is. See if I change my mind or not. It's kind of heavy though, but not so much. But it's hurting my hands. Okay, so this is going to be the last part of the video. I realized I didn't show you guys exactly how putting everything together. But these crystals come in different sizes, different shapes. So I picked out what size and what shape would be best. And also I want to be able to add on straps onto the bag. So that's why I'm separating it and giving everyone a little space in between so that I can still be able to use a strap. So I'm using my E6000 glue that I got from Amazon. You can find it anywhere. So I'm just gluing down the bottom and in the middle. Make sure that I got it pretty good. Just be using a lot. And then just pop it on there. And then I have to leave it overnight for it to be dry. This glue takes about 24 hours for it to be fully dry. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm checking to make sure I can still use the straps. So I feel like if I could add a bigger one in the middle, but I already glued it down, so it is what it is. So this is in the morning after everything is glued down, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I just don't like how the white and the pink just came towards the middle. That's the only thing I don't really like about the bag, but other than that, pretty good. It works well with the straps, without the straps. The best thing about the bag personally, that it can stand on its own. It looks so cute when it's just standing by itself. And you can kind of see through the bag, but that's okay. And I definitely did not mix up the pigment properly because you can see chunks of it, like when you shine the bag up to the light. But other than that, it looks pretty good. This is how the bag looks when it's standing on its own. Obviously, I'm leaning it outside, so yeah, it looks pretty good. It is so cute. I love it. The bag can open. You can put stuff in it. You can do whatever. It's just like a normal bag. I can't wait to take this out if I ever decide to have a social life. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Who knows what I'll be making next. Bye. Toodaloo. Peace out. Deuces. Bye-bye. Subscribe.